Alright guys, we're back. I got the new floppy disk. And yes, I bought it from the same guy that sold me my keyboard. So yeah, very nice dude. I like him. He's cool. So yeah. Let's unwrap this. So now, here is the new floppy disk I'm gonna be putting in it. I'm gonna be swapping that one with this new floppy disk. Look how cool it is, guys. The sides. And yes, I'll make sure the guy does it well so we won't ever have this problem again. Okay, so that is the new floppy disk we're going to put in it. I'm super excited to show you guys the floppy disk when it's in the keyboard. So stay tuned, look out for a video for that. But for now, I'm going to put it back in its little baggie here. Give me a second. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Okay, this was the PSR 350 Yamaha keyboard. I'll be showing you the floppy disk problem. Now, if you guys have any questions or stuff about this keyboard, comment down below, and then I'll read some of your comments and I might respond to them. But if you want to get one of these keyboards, go on eBay.com. eBay.com and search up Yamaha PSR 350 keyboards. They'll be right there. So you don't even have to search them up that much. Well, besides that, I hope you had a good day and I hope you had a good time watching this video. And yeah. So yeah. Next time in this video. No, in the next video, I'm sorry. And I'm also sorry about the camera shaking. But next video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite songs that are built in on this keyboard. My favorite beats that are built in on this keyboard. And my favorite floppy disk content that is built in on this keyboard. And I'll be showing you my favorite pop songs that are on this keyboard on the pop category. And on the pop category on the floppy disk. Make sure to stay tuned for those videos, guys. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And this has been Dominic. Goodbye for now.